You want to win on social media? It's not just about being present. It's about making an impact. You gotta bring the heat. Consistency and passion are your best friends here. It's not just about posting random stuff. Random posts won't get you far. You need a plan, a strategy. It's about understanding the game. The social media game is complex but not impossible to master. The game is the algorithm. Algorithms decide what content gets seen and what doesn't. Master it and you unlock massive opportunities. Knowing how algorithms work can skyrocket your reach. Think about it. Millions of people are scrolling every single day. Each scroll is a chance for your content to be seen. Your content can reach them. But it has to be engaging. It has to stand out. You can build a brand, a strong, recognizable brand that people trust and follow. You can earn serious money. Monetizing your social media presence is very real. But you gotta be smart. You gotta be strategic. Analyze your metrics, understand what works and what doesn't. This isn't about luck, it's about hustle. Hard work and dedication are key. It's about showing up every single day. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience engaged. Are you ready to crush it? Let's go. The journey won't be easy, but the rewards are worth it. Start today and watch your social media presence grow beyond your wildest dreams. Every social platform has an algorithm. Think of it like a secret code. This code decides who sees your content. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. They all have different algorithms. What does the algorithm want? Engagement. Likes, comments, shares, watch time. It's all fuel. More reach, more followers, more opportunities. Don't be scared of the algorithm. Embrace it. Learn how it works. Use it to your advantage. It's your key to unlocking viral content and building a loyal audience. Listen up. This is important. Understanding the algorithm is crucial for anyone who wants to succeed in the digital world. Whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or just someone who wants to grow their online presence, knowing how the algorithm works can make all the difference. The algorithm is not your enemy, it's your friend. It's designed to help you, not hinder you. Think of it as a tool that can amplify your voice and extend your reach. But like any tool, you need to know how to use it effectively. Once you understand how it works, you can work it. You can tailor your content to meet the algorithm's criteria, ensuring that your posts get seen by more people. This means more likes, more shares, and ultimately more success. You can make it work for you. Imagine having the power to predict what kind of content will perform well. Imagine knowing the best times to post, the best formats to use, and the best ways to engage your audience. This is all possible when you understand the algorithm. Think of it like this. You wouldn't walk into a business meeting without a plan, right? You'd prepare, you'd strategize, and you'd make sure you have all the information you need to succeed. The same goes for social media. Social media is the same. You need a strategy. You need to know what you're going to post, when you're going to post it, and who you're posting it for. This is where understanding the algorithm comes in. You need to know who you're talking to. The algorithm can help you identify your target audience, understand their preferences, and tailor your content to meet their needs. This means more engagement, more followers, and more success. And you need to create content they actually want to see. Stop guessing. Stop getting frustrated. Start understanding. When you know what your audience wants, you can create content that resonates with them, that they want to engage with, and that they want to share. When you work with the algorithm, you get more reach, more engagement, and more results. You can turn your social media presence from a source of frustration into a source of success. So take the time to understand the algorithm, learn how it works, learn how to work with it, and watch your online presence grow. Let me tell you something. Consistency is key. It's the backbone of any successful social media strategy. Without it, your efforts can easily go unnoticed. You can't just post once a month and expect to blow up. Social media is a fast-paced environment where content is constantly being updated. If you're not regularly contributing, you'll quickly be forgotten. You gotta show up every single day. This doesn't mean you have to post every single day, but you should be engaging with your audience, sharing stories, and staying active. Consistency builds trust and keeps your audience coming back for more. Give people a reason to follow you. Give them value. Whether it's through educational content, entertainment, or inspiration, make sure your posts are worth their time. The more value you provide, the more likely they are to engage with your content and share it with others. Think of it like working out. Just as you wouldn't expect to get fit by going to the gym once, you can't expect to build a strong social media presence with sporadic posts. You don't get ripped by going to the gym once. It takes regular effort and dedication. The same goes for social media. You need to be present and active consistently to see results. You gotta put in the work day after day. Over time, you'll start to see the fruits of your labor. Your audience will grow, your engagement will increase, and your content will improve. Social media is the same. It's a long-term game. The more consistent you are, the more you'll stand out from the crowd. People will start to recognize your brand and look forward to your posts. Show up consistently and you'll see amazing results. Don't overthink it, just start creating. The more you create, the more you'll learn about what works and what doesn't. The more you post, the better you'll get. Practice makes perfect. Each post is an opportunity to refine your skills and connect with your audience. The more you learn about your audience, the more they'll engage with your content. Pay attention to what resonates with them and adjust your strategy accordingly. Consistency, combined with a deep understanding of your audience, is the key to social media success. Remember, consistency doesn't mean you have to do it all alone. Collaborate with others, seek inspiration, and keep pushing forward. Your dedication will pay off in the long run. Celebrate your milestones, no matter how small. Each step forward is a testament to your hard work and consistency. Keep going, and you'll achieve your social media goals. Plan ahead and stay organized. A content calendar can help you stay on track and ensure you're consistently delivering value to your audience. With a clear plan in place, you'll be able to maintain your momentum and keep your audience engaged. In the end, consistency is about showing up, putting in the effort, and staying committed to your goals. It's not always easy, but it's always worth it. So keep pushing forward, stay consistent, and watch your social media presence grow. Listen up. This is more than just posting pictures and videos. It's about mindset. You gotta believe in yourself. You gotta believe in your message. You gotta be passionate about what you're putting out there. The internet can be a noisy place, but your voice matters, your story matters. Don't be afraid to be yourself, be authentic, be real. People connect with that. Don't get caught up in comparing yourself to others. Run your own race. Focus on your own journey. Believe in yourself, put in the work, and you will succeed. You're hustling online, building your empire. That's amazing. But don't forget about the most important thing, your health. You can't crush it if you're burned out. Take breaks from the screen. Get some fresh air. Move your body. Eat good food. Get enough sleep. These things might seem small, but they make a big difference. Remember, you're playing the long game here. Take care of yourself so you can keep crushing it for years to come. Alright, let's talk content. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? This is your niche. This is what you're going to create content around. Think of your content pillars as the foundation of your social media strategy. These are the main topics you'll focus on. Choose 3 to 5 pillars that you're genuinely interested in. Why? Because when you're passionate about what you're creating, it shows. Your energy is contagious. People will be drawn to your authenticity. Section 8. Engage to win. Don't be a ghost. You posted something awesome. Great. Now what? Don't just disappear. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments. Answer questions. Have conversations. Social media is all about connecting with people. Be social. Be present. The more you engage, the more the algorithm rewards you. Think of it like a party. You wouldn't just stand in the corner by yourself, right? You'd mingle. You'd talk to people. Do the same thing online. Section 9. Tools and tricks for social media success. There are tons of tools and tricks out there to help you streamline your social media efforts. From scheduling tools to analytics platforms, there's something for everyone. Don't be afraid to experiment and find what works best for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach. The key is to find tools that make your life easier and help you achieve your goals. Remember, social media is constantly evolving. Stay curious, stay informed, and always be willing to learn new things. Section 10. Take action now. Free resources inside. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Don't just consume this information, apply it. Start implementing what you've learned today. To help you get started, I'm giving you access to some awesome free resources. Check out the links below for free courses, ebooks, and more. This is your sign to stop procrastinating and start building the online presence of your dreams. Section 11. Join the movement. Let's crush it together. You're not alone on this journey. We're all in this together. Join the movement of creators, entrepreneurs, and dreamers who are using social media to achieve their goals. Share your journey, connect with others, and let's support each other along the way. Remember, success is sweeter when it's shared. Now go out there and crush it. I believe in you.